안녕하세요. I am Meilli's director of Little Amélie or the character of Rain. We heard that Little Amélie is opening in Korea. Little Amélie is an animation about a 3-year-old girl named Amélie who believes she's God and she experiences various emotions and grow-ups. We are so proud to share with you a love story. Sai bok mani badaseo.
안녕하세요. My name is Lian Chohan and I'm the co-director of the movie Little Amélie or the character of Rain. Following the 4 beautiful seasons of the year, our movie can evoke the early memories that everyone has gone through at the beginning of their lives. Your movie are such an inspiration. The very first movie I watched was My Sassy Girl more than 20 years ago, and then later Memories of Murder, Old Boy, A Better Sweet Life, Train to Busan, so many great memories. We are extremely honored that Little Amélie can meet the Korean audience. 감사합니다 and 안녕히 가세요.
À 3 ans, on remarque tout et on ne comprend rien. Mais le miracle eut lieu.
Je vous présente Ni시오’와.
T'étais la seule à me voir vraiment telle que j'étais.
Les souvenirs restent.